Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can recover your photos from the trash in Google Photos. So let's get right into it. And this not only applies to photos, it applies to videos as well, but just bear with me and follow this tutorial and everything will be perfectly clear. The principle is also the same for both PC and mobile phones, so these instructions are pretty much global. Now, Google Photos is of course the online cloud storage for photos and videos and such media, and it is made of course by Google, and it is directly tied to Google Drive and to your Google account basically. Now, to recover stuff from your trash, what you want to do is, after you've deleted a picture, let's say you've deleted a picture accidentally, let's say this one for example, just press delete, move to trash, and that picture is now gone. Of course, this picture has not been permanently deleted, it was just moved to the trash. As you've seen the prompt on the button that popped up, it said move to trash, not delete, so we'll just go to the trash folder, which on the PC is located here to the left and at the very bottom. You'll have no problems locating it on the mobile either. You might need, it might look, well, it certainly looks a bit different, but you'll have no trouble finding it. Just go to there, and once you're here, you'll see the items in the trash will be deleted permanently after 60 days. So within 60 days, if you want to recover them, just check them off. You can either delete permanently or click restore, and once you click restore, they'll be back in your gallery as you can see. And that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you next time.